In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your digital product landing page with Notion. This 2025 guide is designed to help you get the most out of your creative efforts by walking you through the step-by-step process of setting up a professional landing page for your digital product using Notion's versatile platform. Whether you're showcasing a new app, ebook, or service, Notion offers an intuitive interface for everyone to design stunning pages with ease. So, buckle up, grab a cup of coffee, and let's dive into the world of digital product landing pages. First, to start this exciting journey, you'll need to head over to your Notion workspace homepage. If you are already familiar with Notion, navigating to the homepage will be second nature. Simply open Notion and make sure you're logged in to have access to all the necessary tools and features. Once you're at the home, you'll notice a neat sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen. You won't need to worry too much about anything else here just yet, as you'll be creating something entirely new. Next, let's move on by clicking on Templates. This is where the magic begins. Notion offers a robust selection of templates, and the Templates feature is positioned conveniently on your left sidebar. Clicking on this will give you a plethora of options, ranging from simple note-taking designs to intricate databases. The template gallery is an excellent place to draw inspiration for what your landing page design could eventually look like. Once you're inside the template section, it's time to choose a landing page template suitable for a digital product. Use the search feature to find something specific that aligns with your vision. You can type in digital product landing page, and voila! Notion presents you with beautifully pre-designed templates specifically tailored for this purpose. This really takes the guesswork out of starting from scratch and provides you with a solid foundation to build upon. After you've selected a template that resonates with your style and needs, go ahead and click on Add. This is an important step as it installs your chosen template directly into your Notion workspace. Clicking Add will duplicate the template into your personal space, allowing you to make custom modifications. You can alter colors, fonts, and layouts to match your brand aesthetic effortlessly. Now that your template is added, the creation phase can begin. Remember, personalization is key. Take some time to explore every section of the template. Customize the text and visuals to reflect your product's unique features and benefits. The flexibility of Notion is at your disposal here. Use it to craft an inviting and compelling narrative on your page. And there you have it, a fully functional digital product landing page using the power of Notion. Follow these steps, and you'll have a landing page that's not just cool to look at, but effective too. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in your journey toward a successful digital debut. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides and tips.